everyone, happy weekend. Today is Saturday. We are heading home now from Brussels because it's Saturday and we went to church, and now we are going home. And for that, we will drop somewhere to pick up my packet. Somewhere.
No, here no.
There, oh, you can enter, oh, parking.
Parking, but I don't.
Look, you have to go there.
Cheryl, stop. Parking. So here to the right, right?
You don't have to go.
Parking. Straight or where?
Here.
This is Tesla.
Yeah, but you have to go there.
Okay.
And then my packet is in this shop.
In this here?
Yeah, and then their parking is that. That is their parking.
Where? Here?
Yes.
You say near Doxy.
It's my order.
What do you want?
I will look what is
Look
inside.
there.
What? Ah!
Card.
We will go and pick up the packet because we are not home. We just come from the church. So they put it here in the automatic machine. You should have some application, guys. And then you can open that through the application, and of course you will scan your barcode in there. There's a camera in that automatic machine. You see? It's open. I miss it. It was open. And then you close it. You don't close. I was late. He opened through his phone that, but it's okay. Next time I will show you again. Open.
Ready?
Yeah. That's the Zac.
Battery. So how if there is, you put this online with the sound, huh? So my dear friend Bosch, the Germany Nazi, this one is paper Zac, and you want me to make vacuum also wet with this one. And what will happen when the water will touch the paper? Welcome to Germany. It's not so long, this one, as you said. Oh, it's 5 meters. It's just 1.5. Huh? I thought you, Germany, you are better, but you become, I think because of too much immigrant, they take control of your country, and then that's the result. Huh? If I look here, I think it's made in China. And then it said Germany. What it says here, my dear Germany? Made in China. Go home, Germany. They make paper sack. It's small joke.
Okay, put it back and we return.
So you didn't look to how many liter, how many, the size. Let's see, let's put it here first.
Max 2000 watts.
Ah, okay, so this also here. Huh?
What is that for?
Yeah.
Without Zack also, it's good.
Without Zack?
Here, oh.
Yeah, but it's gonna be kaput this, huh?
Why it's kaput when there is cover on it? That's the cover on.
Yeah, but that's only protection, George. You cannot let this on, huh? No, you can let on, but I don't know how fast.
Because this is for the water, ah.
Yeah, what happened when the water will touch the sack? I don't know. What do you think?
You never know. It's waterproof.
The paper.
Like where you put the, when you buy bread, that thing that they use to take the, to put the
Yeah,
bread.
we can put this a little to the shower to see if it's.
I don't think they will put it there. It's wet and dry, and then the Zack will become wet.
Okay,
Okay,
let's see.
on it.
Okay, like that.
Very, very strong. Ah, this is for, oh,
Yeah, when you put here and then when it's working, it's
yeah, it's good.
better to remove from here, but I don't know if you can.
Can. Ah, this one for the what? Ah,
I think that's
for the water. Yeah, for the water here. And that's for the dry. Maybe you need to put that.
No, that's just for. But this is not okay, huh? It's always. We think you have to put. Where is that one?
Try,
Yeah.
maybe still have that.
Where is the metal? Where's the metal?
Grabe, kakalat ang mga apartment, oh. Everywhere. Mauna among na-order nga niabot pero mali kay kung ano dahil na siya kanang filter o kanang zack. Pero kuan siya kanang metal. Walay motor. So ibalik na namo mong nag-order ko ani complete Ricardo. By the way, grabe kakalat ni mong balay kay we're moving soon. So ang mga daan nga gamit amo ang pang-ilisan. By the way, i-open na to na akong Shein shopping galore nga gi-pick up na to a while ago.
I pass with this. Here I come just with this one.
You can throw it. One. What is this? Patata lang yan. Okay. Two. Uy, hala na. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items lang na siya. Ano siya? This one is for my cup. Yan. Na siya sa cabinet, oh. And then, ihang din mo, may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cups. Try na to, may. Isay na wong. Ano siya, oh. Like that. So cute. And then, this one. Oh wow, very big. Wow, grabe ka siya. Pwede ni siya sa cabbage. Wow. Grabe. This is for the cabbage to peel off also the, pero grabe man ganda ko eh. Carrots and potato. Look, Joe. This is for the cabbage. Very sharp. And then this one This is the cleaning tools to dust off. Wow, very nice. Look. Wow, nice kaayo yan. Ano ni mo? You know, when you have a window, tapos naamoy ka na bitang pang blackout sa dark or sa light from outside, naamoy window nga ka ng dali lang. Kita na ko sa inyo. This one, this one, kanang pang blackout siya sa window ba? Curtain siya nga, parang curtain good. Tapos, imuha na siyang para pang dust off ba sa window. What you are thinking? And then, this one, pang winter, manina socks. Joe, I bought your socks, you see?
There's a cabinet here with an open door behind. Do you order something?
3, 4, 5, no? Look your socks, Joe.
My oil.
If you like it.
I will look later.
1, I think they are good. 2,
Now I will see.
3, 4, 5. 5 pair. So far, the quality is good for summer. But it seems small. Look pa. This is for me. It seems small. I don't know. You have to try it. But it's for the mail I ordered. And then this one. What is this? Oh yeah. For the bags. Yeah, you see? 2, 4, 6. 6 bags can put inside. Yay! Try na to. Try na to. Try na to. Magbutang ang bag. Ay, ako man yung luggage. So, ibutang na to ng bag. Example lang. Naku kayo siya space. Hala, nga na siya guys. Hala, kagwapa. Wow, nice. Look. And then, tanaw na to ng isa. Butang ako dali ang isa sa pikas. Kung unsay na wong niya. Sample lang ha. Hala, guwapa siya. Oh, guwapa. Nice. Wow, I like it. Butang sa ano na ito diha. And then, last but not the least, lastly, di ba kay we are moving. So, nag-buy ko ano para sa gawa sa balay ba? Sa door ba? Sa entrance. Nagwa pa kay siya guys. Oh my gosh. Bless this home and all who enters. Nagwapa. Joe, look! I want to put in front, in our new home. In the entrance. Very nice.
On the door?
Yeah. Look, bless this home and all who enters. Nice.
Outside?
Yes.
There's gonna be rain. It's gonna be wet.
There is something there. It will not be. Very nice. Look. Butang ko lang din Yay! So, mauro to kung i-order. Mga 20 euro na yun. So, that's all. Thank you so much for watching our unboxing for today.